Hi everyone and welcome back to the AgenticFlow channel. We are back in this episode. We are using Claude Code together with the AgenticFlow CLI to build a phase blog production pack in just a couple of minutes. So we are back with Codex. Let me set the scene. Writing one good blog post is not really a writing problem. It is a production problem. So we are back with Tour. Before a single sentence drafted, someone has to decide the angle, the audience, the keyword, the structure, the review criteria, and how it hands off to whoever publishes it. Skip that planning and you get a draft that reads fine but does not convert, does not rank, and stalls in review for a week. We are back with code. This blueprint front loads all of that thinking, turns a one paragraph brief into a phase by phase production packet you can actually hand to here you can see the prompt we are giving to Claude Code. Today we ask the AgenticFlow CLI to deploy the phase lock production pack blueprint, and we give it a compact brief. The topic is how AI workflow automation reduces manual operations work. The audience is operations leaders at B2B SaaS companies. The goal is qualified demo interest. The primary keyword is AI workflow automation. The tone is practical and executive friendly. Course and the target length is around 1200 words. So then we set the production rules in plain language. So we have build a phase-based packet and do not claim anything was published to a CMS, updated in Google Docs, delegated to another agent, or acted on externally. So isn't any the work, it is planning the work, not doing the publishing. We're back. We need to then ask it to deploy the workflow, run it once, and show us the strategy summary, a phase table, the outline, a QA checklist, a CEO notes, some and the publishing handoff. Now, when we run it, Claude Code reads the prompt, deploys the workflow code flow on AgenticFlow and runs it once. Let me walk through what comes back. So first, a strategy summary that pins down the angle and why it fits that operations buyer. Then a phase table that breaks the work into ordered stages so nobody has to guess what comes next. Next, a section outline you could hand straight to a writer, followed by a QA checklist to review the draft against. It also is an SEO notes tied to that primary keyword, and finally a publishing handoff that spells out what the publisher needs to ship it. Which I notice the transformation here. Back with Core, you start with a single paragraph of intent, and you end with a structured production plan, strategy, phases, outline, review criteria. So cancels and handoff all pointed at the same goal. So I'm happy to the draft still gets written by a person, but they start from a plan instead of a blank page. Also, be to you have to use yourself. You will first need the AgenticFlow CLI installed. Our earlier videos walk through the setup if you have not done it yet. And while we're using Claude Code in this episode, the exact same prompt works in Ishi or other coding agents, so use whichever you prefer. Serial, I one nice detail, the blueprint prioritizes AgenticFlow's built-in no nodes, so it only consumes AgenticFlow credits when it runs. It also once it is finished, we can jump over to AgenticFlow and review the entire workflow visually, confirming every step was built correctly. Also back to you can see exactly how the brief flows through each node to produce the full production packet. Here is why this matters at scale. The pipeline planning one post by hand is fine. So it a workflow, but a workflow that turns any brief into the same structured packet means your whole content pipeline runs on a consistent process, same strategy discipline. This was with Sam Kim, the CEO discipline, same clean handoff every single time. There is Siri Tempalev. That is how a small team pushes like a much larger one. So I would really encourage you to try this with your own brief index. So we bought into the Siri topic, swap in your topic, audience, and keyword, and watch how the phase table and outline give you a running start. Backwoods on the Shandis who watch. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more, and we will see you in the next one.